Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a new contact lens review for you guys, and it is from the Olens Double Tint collection. They come in two different colors, grey and brown. So let's get this review started. Well, when I saw that, I got really excited because the way they promote it is like they do a lot of comparisons with this double tint and the VV ring and the VV ring as well. But for me, I will also do a comparisons with the Tint eye and also feature some other contact lens similarity like glowing stuff for you guys as well. So stay tuned for that. For the diameter for this one, this graphic diameter is actually 12.9mm, which actually falls between the real ring and the VV ring right in the middle, which I think is a really good dimension. So if you guys feel like the VV ring is too big and the real ring is too small, this would be the perfect diameter for you guys. In terms of the design, it's supposed to give you like a very mellow and luminous design. That's the two main key of this design, and I find this very unique because the pattern of this actually have that crescent moon that is really trendy lately. However, what they have done, now this is how I see it, okay? Imagine a real ring and you see that rim inside the real ring. Imagine it being cut into half and you have like two crescent moon, one on the top, one on the bottom, and there's gaps in between. This is how I see it, and when you actually put it on your eyes, it makes it look so dreamy. Like it's so blendable. It's just dreamy. Like I cannot explain how it looks like. It just gives you like a very blur filter like contact lens. Is just gorgeous. And the other thing that really reminds me of is like the Tint eye collection, where it also gives you a little bit of that watercolor effect as well. I also noticed that these two colors feels very different on my eyes. Like I know that they fall under the same collection, but I feel like somehow the patterns are very different a little bit, and I'll explain about that really soon. However, I just wanted to mention the design for this one, and it does have like a border as well, like a very thin border to give you the enlargement, which is really beautiful. Now let's talk about the color brown first, which is what I'm currently wearing right now. This brown one really reminds me, in terms of the color, really reminds me of the real ring brown, where you get a bit of that yellow golden brown color on the inside. Definitely very obvious, and the border actually reminds me of the VV ring dark border. However, it's probably like half of the outline, so it's like the real ring border, but the color and the way it like blurs out looks like the VV ring for me. This is how it looks like, and I feel like with this brown it's definitely very obvious. It looks beautiful. This is also what Blackpink Jisoo is wearing, and it looks gorgeous on her, and I absolutely love it. I don't know what it is, like it's just gorgeous. Like you definitely need to give it a try. Then onto the grey one, and this is where I feel like, you know, you can see a little bit of the differences. This grey one looks much more of a lighter neutral color compared to the brown. The brown one, I feel like it's very bright looking. It's natural looking, luminous and stuff as well, but I feel like this grey is definitely very toned down light. The grey is not obvious. Now let's go back a bit in terms of the color. So this grey color reminds me more of the VV ring grey, but the brightness is like the real ring grey, if that makes sense. So it's a bit of a cool and warm tone, but I feel like on my eyes it looks a little bit warmer, but with the cool looking grey, if that makes sense. So it's like it looks very dark on my eyes, but you can see that brightness of that grey on my eyes, and I feel like the border really blends with my eyes. So I feel like the border is not as obvious as the brown on my eyes. So I feel like with the grey one, it's not as, it doesn't give a pop to my eyes. However, I like the natural looking side of it, and I feel like it's really like a, you know, if I have to choose between this double tint grey and my Tint eye grey that I absolutely love, it's really hard for me to decide, because I feel like I really like this double tint grey one too, because of the whole border and the enlargement effect as well, if that makes sense. If you're looking for something that is more obvious, that gives you more sparkle in your eyes, definitely try the brown one out. But if you're looking for more like a natural looking one, very subtle looking, but you want it to look really pretty and luminous on your eyes, but you know, very mellow looking, I feel like the grey one will be perfect for those who likes that. And again, the design is the same where you get that cut off of the crescent moon. And also I have to mention that the double tint one, I feel like it reminds me of the one and only grey, but with 2 crescent moon, you know. So I will also put comparisons here for you guys to have a look. So overall, I actually find these 2 contact lenses really unique. Like, I didn't think that Olens can create something unique like this by having a comparison with this and the V ring and the real ring, but I think it's actually really smart for them to did that whole thing for you guys to see what the differences are, which I thought is awesome. But I would do that anyway for you guys so you guys can see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.